Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to our local VONS, which is not too far away. It's my local store. And I am needing to get the last minute preparations for Thanksgiving. Plus, I need to keep in mind, we have a few more days left. So, gotta think of some meals. So let's go. So I've made a list, checked it twice. No, just kidding. And I checked my Ibotta as well to make sure I can get a couple more items and hopefully get a payout. Ooh, we'll see. So if you haven't used Ibotta, I will link it below. You just get the app and I have a referral code that can get you some free items for Thanksgiving. Maybe you're interested. So look at my hair. Oh, it's wind blown again. It's the end of the night, so let's go. Look at that price, you guys. That's so good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go, you guys. As you can see, lots of drinks. Some of them are just for Kobe. So he has a refrigerator upstairs in his room. So he asked me to get him these little bottles. I got him this, and I'll show you some other things that I got him. But you guys, I wasn't planning to get those. They are on such a good sale right now, probably because of the holiday, but they are 4 for $10, and that goes until Tuesday. So Albertsons, VONS, Safeway, I believe they're all there. So it might even be at your local store. 4 for $10. In fact, I'm giving one of these also to Kobe to put in his refrigerator. So, okay, so let's go ahead and I'll show you what I've been doing today and what I got. All right, first off, I made the chocolate pecan pies for Thanksgiving. So I've done this before where I've made them ahead of time, wrap them up really good, and put them in the freezer. One less thing that I have to worry about, just pretty much thaw and then heat up if I want to. Add a little ice cream, you know what I'm saying. So this one is the gluten-free crust, and then this one is not. And so I can't wait. Shall we start opening some bags? Who said ice cream? This is actually Paul's favorite flavor of vanilla. It's got like a homemade kind of taste to it. In fact, the lady in the summer told me that tasted so much like her grandfather's homemade ice cream. So stamp of approval to me. So every time I see it, it was on sale, $2.99. I try to get one or so. I had a really good coupon for chicken breast from the butcher. So it was $1.67 a pound. So I got 3 packs of 3 pounds-ish. And then I had a reward on my app. So I'm using my my For You or Just For You app from VONS. And you get like every week you'll get like a special incentive. So this is like that thick cut bacon. This is actually also peppered bacon. So I can't wait to try it. But it was $2.99 a pound, which is half off what it normally is. So we'll have that for breakfast. And so I'll put the other chicken breast in the freezer. I'll keep one up front. Maybe Paul can grill. Sounds like a good idea to me. So let's keep going. So talking about breakfast, I picked up some of these cream cheese cinnamon rolls. I don't always get these ones, but they look pretty good, right? I mean, it could have a little more icing on it, but they still look good. We'll have them for breakfast tomorrow. I picked up some more of these gluten-free tortillas from Mission. They are really pliable. I've said it before, Paul likes them too. So we'll probably maybe do some fajitas in the next day or so. That'll be super good. I picked up just some of these, the store brand chips. They were 3 for $5, so I got 2 of these. It's a good price. And we actually have some onion dip Still some leftover from a few days ago. Ezra nearly ate the whole thing himself. Oh my. So I had to get a few more of these chips so we can finish it off. Just picked up also some Cocoa Crispies. It was $1.99. Not too bad. And I picked up some cranberries, craisins, because I'm making Paul a special gluten-free stuffing mix. So I have one. I'm just going to follow the recipe, but pretty much I'll be using gluten-free flour and lots of like berries and pecans and broth and onions and celery, you know, like all the stuffing stuff. Plus I will be adding some sausage. I needed time. Don't we all need more time? I feel like that's a Paul joke. Okay, picked up some heavy duty. Picked up some heavy duty aluminum foil. It'll be for the Traeger. I bought some aluminum foil, some heavy duty from the Dollar Tree, and it was so thin. Why even say heavy duty, right? Picked up some Kind bars for Paul and some beef jerky for Paul as well. So we're near the end, you guys. So some of the perks on the app, you get things really, really cheap. Like that bag of 5-pound bag of potatoes were 25 cents. And I've even gotten things even cheaper. So if you're not using an app for your favorite grocery store, you are probably missing out on a couple of things that you could get so cheap. Like these Powerades, I got those for Kobe as well. They were 68 cents each. And you know, when I had the virus, I drank like 2 of those a day because I remember hearing when some people on that cruise ship when it was first starting, you know what I'm talking about, saying that they just needed to be hydrating and they drank lots of Gatorade. So when I got sick, I thought, I told Paul, get those for me. I'll drink like a couple a day. And I don't know if it helped, but I'm going to say it did because it kept me hydrated. And then I couldn't find these 12 packs in Diet Dr. Pepper, which is my favorite. So I got the 2 liters, and the 2 liters they were 99 cents each if you bought 4. So I got 3 for me, and then I got those lemonade for Kobe. Okay, so I picked up some more shells, just some regular one and a gluten-free one as well. We're gonna try to do some very easy, the apple pie. Oh, I probably need another one of these. Ugh. Okay, because I have to go to another store because I didn't get everything I wanted. I wanted to get another one of those cheesecake fillings already made from Philadelphia cream cheese, and they didn't have it at my store. So I'll pick up another one of these. So what we're gonna do is cream cheese that filling bottom and then put some of that apple on top. Doesn't that sound so good? I picked up some waffles just for Ezra and Jonas. Very easy breakfast in the morning. And I picked, this is that sausage that I was going to be adding into Paul's stuffing. So I think I only need to use half of it. And then the other half I could just add it into eggs, maybe make some breakfast burritos. We'll see. Picked up some more Grandma Sycamore for Ezra. He loves the honey wheat. So that's good. And I needed to pick up some sharp cheddar for a pasta recipe. So sharp cheddar is good with pasta, FYI. I got some Oreos, because, you know, they're Inez's favorite cookie. Forget that it says Milk's favorite cookie. And last but not least, I picked up some bananas. We actually have not been eating very many bananas lately, so we'll see. Hopefully, if not, I can always make those into banana bread. So I need to put these away, those chocolate pecan pies. Oh, my favorite. I'm going to be a little bit sad putting those away, but I feel like I got everything for the next few days. We're going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving. We're going to have all the yummy sides and the yummy turkey breast. With the exception of a couple of things I might have to run back to the store, which I know I do. I think we're ready. Let me know down below if you're ready, or do you guys run towards the stores this week? Ooh, I've already been hearing that it's very, very busy. So let me know your favorite store to go to get all of your Thanksgiving needs. And if you're still interested, I will link my my referral code for Ibotta, and I got turkey breasts at Walmart for free. So thanks so much for visiting the channel today. Have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.